यूट्यूब डाउन है।
स्टार्ट होती ही खत्म।
लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग अवेलेबल नहीं है यूट्यूब पे, कभी कभी ये प्रॉब्लम आती है। Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another free session on Botany Insider. In this particular session, we'll be discussing previous year questions of part A segment, that is your general aptitude segment, right? So just check whether the presentation is visible to you and whether I'm properly audible or not. If yes, let's begin with the class. Please confirm in the chat section, those of you who are there in the live class right now. Is everything visible properly? Good evening, Agampreet. Okay, let's begin with the class. So, before starting, if you're new to Botany Insider, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. We have a previous year question course ongoing for the upcoming examination, and our December 2024 course begins on 1st of July. So, those of you who are targeting out for the next examination, you can download our application and get yourself enrolled. Live and recorded classes, all the 13 units along with the general aptitude will be dealt with. Hard copy notes, weekly test, two revision cycles, PYQ session, and all the PDFs will also be available to you, right? So let's begin with the class. We'll start with, or we'll discuss few of the December 2023 questions. This is the very first question for you all. The question is, in this grid, each row and column is of 9:9 grid, as well as 3:3 grid, as shown with the heavy borders, right? Over here, what should be there on this particular position? This is what you have to solve out. So this particular question is of Sudoku, right? Something that we all used to play in our early childhood when we used to have our newspapers, and in that newspaper, these uh, games used to come in, right? So give it a try to the question, everyone. In this partly filled grid, the digit that is marked with the question mark is which of the following? Try the question, everyone. Everyone mark the answer for the question. In this grid, what should come at this particular number? This is what you have to find out. For solving out these type of questions, you should go in a point-wise manner, like according to the option manner, you should go. Just observe the digit and check whether it is suitable in that particular grid or not, right? So If you go with the options, let's see for 3. So 3 is available in this, but it is not there in this and or any other number or here as well. So 3 cannot be the answer. Reason being, we need to have a number. We need to have a final accurate number for which we can provide some logical reason as well. Then if you look in for 7, even 7 is not available in many of the places, so we cannot make out a logical conclusion for the same. Then same goes for 8 as well. If you look into 9, so 9 is available in almost all the lines except for the one which we have to find. See over here, 9 is available in this line, it is available in this line, it is there in this line as well, then in this line also, and this line also. So if you observe it carefully and if you can analyze properly, over here 9 can be possibly present, right? So in this, because the complete grid is not completely filled, so we need to go with the help of options only, and then only we can get the final answer. So in this partly filled grid, this question mark is the area where we have 9, or where 9 could be there. Is the question clear to everyone? Very good, Daisy and Agampreet. I hope the questions are clear to all. Right, and other students also, those of you who have not marked it, I'm expecting the question is clear. Next question, give it a try to this. This is again December 2023 question. A circular disc of unit radius rolls along a straight line from P to Q. Which of the following figures shows the orientation of the disc at Q? So what figure in this figure at point Q, if a circle is rolling in this direction, so at point Q, which of the following, or what will be the point of orientation? You have to mark that particular thing. Try the question, everyone. Everyone mark the answer for the question. It's not difficult. You have to understand the question. You have to understand the basic principle behind this, and you'll be easily able to solve it. So, a circular disc of unit radius rolls along a straight line from P to Q. Which of the following figures shows the orientation at Q? So P to Q. Now, because it is rolling, so if it is rolling in a specific direction, that means we'll be getting into the circular, or we'll be looking into the circumference of the entire segment, right? And for the circumference, what's the formula? It is 2 pi r. The radius is a unit radius, that means 1 unit. So 2 pi, total 9 pi distance is getting traveled. So 8 pi plus 1 pi, 1 pi is half of the total distance. So you'll see exactly mirror image of the same, and hence C is the correct answer. So till 8 pi, it will be in the same orientation, but because the distance traveled is total 9 pi, so half of the distance or half of the circle will be rolled in, and hence C is the correct answer for this particular question. It's a simple question, simple mathematical question. You just have to understand what is it asking you and how do you have to actually solve it, right? It's not very, very difficult. I hope it's clear to all, right? If yes, let's move forward to the next question. Yes, I hope it's clear. Next question. Let's discuss this particular question. Again, simple and easy. You just have to check what the question is asking you, and you'll be easily able to get through the question. The question is saying on day one, a boy puts one coin in the piggy bank, and on every successive day, on every day, like every single day, he's adding the coins in order to double that particular number. For example, if he's adding one coin on day one, on the second day he'll add two, on the third day he'll add four, on the next day he'll add 8, so that just to double the number of coins, right? Now there's another girl, she's putting the number, she's doing the same thing on consecutive days. So see, she's doing it on the every alternate day. So in another piggy bank, a girl puts two coin on day one, so on the first day itself she's putting up two coins. Question is asking you, at which particular day are they going to put the same number of coins in the piggy bank? It's a very logical and a very simple question, completely based on logic, no mathematical formula required, nothing required, just proper simple mental maths concept. Try the question, everyone. 7 of you are there in the class right now, and please make sure that all 7 of you are participating. Observe the question first, then only mark it. Everyone mark the answer. Question is asking you that there's a boy who is adding the number of coins, or who is adding coins in a piggy bank on everyday basis, with the logic of adding double the coins. Like in order to double the coins in the piggy bank, he's adding the number of coins. The girl on the other hand, she started with two coins and she adds the number of coins in order to again double it, but on every alternate days, right? So let's see. First, you have the boy. So the boy adds one coin on the first day, on the second day, two coins, on the third day, four coins, so on and so forth. The girl, on the very first day, she added two coins. On the third day now, because she adds the coins on alternate days, so on the third day, she'll be adding two coins again. So total four will be there. So on which particular day are they going to add the same number of coins? It is your day three, right? The question is very simple, very logical question is it. But you have to first understand the logic behind that, what's happening in the entire segment, and then only you can mark it, right? That's why the answer for this particular question is option number 2. That is, on day 3, the number of coins that will be added in the piggy bank separately will be equal. Let's do one more. Okay, one more question for you all. This is from your December 2023 paper only. If AB is given to you as 5, BC is given to you as 7 and CA is given to you as 11. You need to find out which of the following identities is valid. Try the question, everyone. Done, everyone. Very good, very good. Very easy question. So you have AB is equal to 5, BC is equal to 7, CA is equal to 11. Question is asking which of the following is valid. So let's try to find out the equatory format for A, B, and C. So AB is given to you as 5 and BC is given to you as 7. So AB upon BC is equal to 5 upon 7. Cancel out the commons. 7A is equal to 5C. Then between BC and CA, so BC upon CA is equal to 7 upon 11. Cancel out the common ones. So B upon A is equal to 7 upon 11. So 11B is equal to 7A. So if you equate these three together, 7A is equal to 11B is equal to 5C. Simple. A is the one is the correct answer for this particular question. Very simple. You just have to rearrange the information given to you and you can get the answer. Next question, give it a try to this. In the following finite sequence of integers, how many nines are divisible by the integers that are immediately preceding them? Write out. In the following finite sequence of integers, how many nines are divisible? by the integers immediately preceding them. So, mark the answer for the question, everyone. Mm. So, you have to find out that which all nines are divisible by the number which is preceding it. So, 1 is here, 1 9 is here. Right, all these nines are available in this sequence. So we need to find out at which particular point or at which value do we see the divisibility. So it's not here, not here, not here. These two values are here. Then over here also no divisibility. 1, 1, 1 and 1. So total how many of them are there? Total 6 of the nines are there which are divisible, right? Did you understand the question? Fourth is the correct answer to for this particular question, right? In the following finite sequence of integers, how many nines are divisible? So answer for this particular question is option number 6, easy and simple. Next question, give it a try to this particular question, everyone. Write out. Done, everyone. Try it out. You're given these symbols and you need to just find out that what's the relations. Try it out. So you have the symbols and then you have the mathematical representations. Like out of these three symbols are getting represented by these mathematical operations with respect to their relation. So with what is the value of 2 via this symbol, 13, this symbol and 7. So 8, then a symbol, then 5, a symbol and then 9. So if you observe, you can check that 9 into 5 plus 8 gives you 53, or it is satisfying this particular equation. So I can say that this particular value or this particular symbol is representing plus and this symbol is representing your multiply. Now over here 9 into 3 minus 2. So this particular symbol is representing subtraction. So these three values are here. So what's the value of this? So 2 minus 13. So 2 minus 13 plus 7 is how much? So over here you have to just solve this particular equation and you'll get your answer. So the answer for this will be 2 minus 13, or over here what you have to do, you have to get the value minus 11 plus 7, which is equal to minus 4, and hence 1 is the correct answer for this particular question. Easy and simple. You just have to observe, make the equation according to the symbolic representation and get the final answer for the same. So what's the correct answer for this? The correct answer for this is minus 4, right? So minus 4 is the correct answer for this particular question. Easy and simple, right? So one is the correct answer for this. So this was about for today's class. I hope all the questions are clear to all. We'll be discussing remaining questions or many more questions in the upcoming classes. So please make sure that you join in the live session on daily basis. In addition, we have our December 2024 course for the upcoming December paper starting from 1st of July. So those of you who are interested in joining that, you can download our application. All the links are in the description box. You can download the application and get yourself enrolled, right? Thank you for joining in the class. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button to Botany Insider. We'll meet in the next class now.